Okay, guys, so we're actually getting ready for our facials. Look how cute she looks. She looks like a little princess. I love it. Guys, I'm just gonna get everything ready and set up, and then we'll start the facial. We're gonna rub the oil in our hands. Did you come closer?
Oh shit, this one's back.
Okay. Hello. Can you feel the steam? Come closer.
Oh no.
Okay. Okay, get around your nose. Okay, just that circular motions. Okay, around your cheeks. Like proper like, pull it in like.
Fucking hell. Oh shit. Oh, I can't swear.
Okay, get in the frame. In the second camera, yeah.
Oh shit, I forgot there's 2 cameras.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Use your small finger for your eyes. Get around there. So we're doing an oil cleanser. We gotta be quick.
Can I get some steam?
You're not feeling it?
Mm-mm.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
That's cool. Let me bring it closer. You feel that now?
No. I got that.
Yeah. Okay, go on.
Thank you.
Hold on. Was it too much?
No, a little bit. Like this is fine.
Alright.
I can still feel it.
Yeah, come. You need to. I feel like look at yourself in the camera and see how to get yourself in the steamer. Like you can see the steam coming out of the camera. I don't think you can see it properly. You're looking straight at it. Yeah. Like get behind it. Yeah. You feel it now?
Mhm. What is wrong with you, Babin?
No, it's cool. We can like cut out certain bits if you actually speak, because obviously we're getting the most average, yeah.
Can you I need to straighten this and some hair clips.
1 second. I'm trying
Do
to
it
relax.
fast.
I'm trying to relax right now. I'm in the spa.
You told me to relax at this time when you're supposed to be going out.
I'm in the
Don't be
spa.
late.
I'm in the spa. I'm not late. I'm ready. You're late. Not me. Actually, no. Let me not
So
talk.
you know what time we're supposed to be there?
What?
No.
What you mean?
We're doing improvements.
Huh?
Mm.
Oh wait, I'm not grabbing with you some free drinks anyways. I'm trying to see anything in the mirror.
In the mirror? Yeah, the phone can see you. Like properly, like your full thing. But the camera's like getting half of you.
I'm going to do the camera with my bald head.
Yeah. Do you want me to just get you the stuff?
Yeah.
Look. Oh, wait. There. Yeah. No.
Is this one good?
Yeah. That one doesn't work. Okay, what else do you need?
Where's your edge cream?
I don't have edge control.
I got one, but
I don't actually need edge control. It's blue.
oh.
Yeah, I got one. 1 second.
Now use the spray one.
I don't have.
You have heat protector? That's finished.
You can use this.
That's not heat protector.
I don't have one.
What's this?
No, as in you said you wanted to.
I can't use. I don't know how to use these ones. So what did you help me with? Do you have hair clip? I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I know.
No, you should actually be joining us as well.
No,
If you actually had the time.
This type of place.
the big ones this way, just so I can part my hair properly. Do you have a plug here?
Yeah. Right there.
Just got the wiping prime on my face with all the
Are you doing makeup?
Okay. Can I stop recording?
Definitely can't do the ingredients anymore. Sorry.
What? I think you should just wear your other wig.
I don't front of the wig is messy. And when I wanted to fix it, it's when I realised that all my stuff is missing. This is interesting.
You wouldn't try it with us one day?
Yeah, free facial.
Yeah.
I'm very...
You sit down and you actually enjoy it. It's not therapeutic to just sitting here.
I keep touching like this.
have you got a... Where's your brush?
In that bucket. In that.
Okay, so you get in the steamer. Okay, I'm gonna go make the
You do
mask.
have a hot pen. You said you don't have it.
Oh, H20.
This is for our lips.
I'm coming.
Just hold them. Come back here. Just gonna wipe off everything. No, fold it.
Oh shit.
Okay. So it's easier.
Well,
It is square, yeah. And then see, you're not in the video.
oh.
Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna use a lip scrub. And get the thing and scrub our lips. Okay, you might as well turn this in. Well, I might as well because I've got.
Oh. Have I got lip? I think I've got it.
Okay. And take off myself. Okay. In here, get a good amount. Okay. And then I'm just gonna scrub on it.
It is working.
I need you to help me.
What?
Scrub your lip down.
I need to reduce. Not just feeding a laugh.
Okay. I'm sure we should be done by now. We were there scrubbing on it. Like we're brushing our teeth. Okay, cool. You're gonna get this on your face and I'm just gonna use my fingers. Okay.
Hey, cold.
Yeah, it's a bit cold.
Just put it all around my face.
Yeah. Maybe get the brush in and then like take some off so then it's like a bit easier for you to apply. Yeah, and then build on it if that makes sense. Yeah.
When you stop recording, let me know.
Alright.
So you get in the camera shot in the video, yeah.
What do you need help with? What do you need help with?
The second you spray from.
Oh. What you have to do is spray some on your thing.
No, last time I did that, it leaked all the way down my face.
No, because you sprayed it onto your face,
So what did you spray it onto?
onto your hand, and then use your finger to put it on.
Oh, okay.
Can I put it on my forehead as well?
Yeah. Get some on your nose, around your mouth.
This is in the hair, oh for fuck's sake.
What did you say?
You put the wig, the hair, I mean the glue on my actual hair.
Oh, sorry. Did it stick onto your hair?
So you just pull it and you spray it into your hand?
Yeah, just spray it like the back of your hand, and then use you like this, and then put it on. Just do it.
Pose so I can when I take a screenshot. I'm looking to this camera as well. Okay. And then just let that sit on your face. Okay, let me take a picture to you. Oh my goodness. Ready? Come closer. Oh. So guys, we're literally at the last part of our routine, which is using a toner, red light, and then cream our face out.
Out this bitch.
So,
Oh wait, it's not so long.
okay. Glycolic acid. Ooh, blow it first.
I'm sorry, but that was like so cool.
That's the reason why I do it. It's like, what the heck? Why does it do that? Why does it okay. So you cut camera
You taking Elizabeth line?
To Canary.
Yeah.
Yeah, one stop.
Yeah.
Well, you know, finding the place will now be a problem.
I can get ready in 30 minutes. What does this red light do?
helps with dark marks, light in your face. There's a lot of things it does. Helps with fine line.
This foundation is not my colour.
That's
I
okay.
told you it was dark, you didn't listen to me.
No, I said,
Is it yours?
No.
I said it's giving orange undertone. That's what I said. It's not that I didn't listen to you.
Okay guys, and then we're gonna use this. Okay, this is I'll pick it up. Okay. Okay. And number D on your forehead. Okay, and then pat it on your face after you've like rubbed it in.
Oh.
Yeah, once you've like rubbed it in, pat on your face. Is there enough there? Yeah, I can see it's like okay. So
Face looks nice.
get some around your eyes, and then one more cream.
Bloody hell. I just be using my Vaseline.
Huh? Rub it in your hand first. This one might make your face a bit white. If you don't rub it in. So I've got like cocoa bar. I don't think I've creamed my forehead. What's going on?
Okay. Now get ready.
Yep, get ready. Okay.